Want your YouTube channel to blow up without working 24/7? What if I told you you could turn one video into 4 to 5 viral clips in seconds? No fancy tools, no wasting time. And guess what? YouTube's begging creators to do this right now. But here's the kicker. If you post long videos and don't chop them up, you're throwing away views, money, and fans because shorts are ruling YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and the algorithm loves them. Wait, how do you even start? Cutting clips takes hours, right? Wrong. I found a free AI tool that does the entire job for you. No editing, no headaches, just viral shorts. But hold on, there's a catch. Most creators use this tool wrong, and if you skip the next 60 seconds, you'll miss the one trick to make YouTube add your shorts to millions of feeds. Stay right here. I'll show you the tool and the secret hack at the end. Miss it, and your shorts might never pop off. This is Nexus Clip. It's stupid easy. You drag your long video in and the AI instantly finds the juiciest moments, hooks, drama, laughs, and spits out ready-to-post shorts. But the real magic happens when you tweak one setting inside Nexus Clip. Do this, and YouTube's algorithm will add your shorts to 10x more feeds. I'll show you how right after this quick tip. You'll find the link to the tool in the description below. Just click on it and the Nexus Clip website will open. Once you're there, you'll see a simple interface. Just sign up and log in. It only takes a minute. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard where you can upload and edit your video. Now, let's say you already have a long video on your YouTube channel. You can upload that video here or directly connect your YouTube channel to import it. Once uploaded, the tool will automatically start creating short clips from your long video. Just wait a few seconds. And boom! As you can see, the tool has now given us multiple short clips from our video. And here's the cool part. It also shows a virality score for each clip. This score tells you how likely the clip is to go viral. So you don't have to guess which one will perform better. If you don't like a clip, no worries. Just click Generate New Moment. And the tool will create a new version for you instantly. For example, I selected the first clip because it has a 95% virality score. Once you're happy with the clip, and then select Create Clip. After clicking, you'll see a new interface where you can customize your clip. At the top right, click the Create Clip button again to start editing. Now your clip will load. And on the right-hand side, you'll see framing options. You can choose any frame style you like. Now, based on how many people are in your video, you can adjust the frame accordingly. At the top, you'll see a hook button. Click on it and add a strong hook to grab viewers' attention right from the start. Below that, you'll find stickers and watermark options. You can add your channel name or logo as a watermark to protect your content and build your brand. After that, you'll see subtitle options. You can turn them on and edit the text easily. Set the font, size, and position however you like. Since my video has 2 people, I'll select the double frame layout for a better fit. Then I'll choose a nice font to match the style of the video. Once you're done editing, click the Share button at the top right corner. From here, you can upload directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Just choose the right category, add a title, and hit Publish. Your viral short is ready to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's preview the final result.